Welcome back, guys. I just found this solid detached house in Molise, Italy, online for only 28,000 euros. And it's got huge renovation potential. What else do we get here besides a beautiful garden and your own private driveway for the car? We're looking at 89 square meters with 4 rooms and a real working fireplace, my friends. Right in the neighborhood of Castellino del Befferno, there are smaller local grocery stores and bakeries for your everyday basic needs. For your major grocery runs, the provincial capital Campobasso is just about 30 kilometers away, offering big supermarkets like Conad, Eurospin, and Lidl, so you get all the supplies you need and maybe some new friends. But enough about the outside, let's head out indoors and check out the inside of this house. Here's the entrance area, which I'd personally turn into a kitchen living room. Some looking up here, some looking rain got in, so we should definitely check the roof. Might just need a quick patch job. This space right here would make a perfect bedroom for a teenager. Maybe a huge UFC fan like me. And this one right here is practically screaming to become a bedroom. Oh, and before I forget, drop a comment and tell me what you would do with these rooms. Maybe I'll steal a few of your ideas. And the bathroom, we'll just leave it exactly like this. I think it's absolutely beautiful. Just kidding. Of course, we're ripping all this crap out, as if I'd actually like something like this. And in this room, we should definitely rip out this old stove and maybe set up a nice office to edit these YouTube videos. By the way, are you already following my channel? It's not, it's about damn time, my friend. So let's check out what kind of potential this house really has. Make sure to stay tuned because the boys are getting straight to work right now. Cadê que dito Roscoe Sicily? Yeah, poker. All right, my friends, if you want more info on this house, just drop a comment. And if you enjoyed the video, smash that like button and show some love so you don't miss out on the next bargain. See you soon, and ciao.